If you're looking to purchase your first rental property or maybe flip your first home, today's video is going to be very helpful for you. We're going to be going over 3 quick tips to what to look for and what not to look for when purchasing your first place. So investment tip number 1 is we want to pick a good location. I am sure you hear it all the time. Location, location, location. 3 most important things for real estate. It is very true. We want to be located in a desirable area with desirable traits for the home. What do I mean by that is we don't want to be on a loud street, or we don't want to back onto a highway. We don't want to be in a rougher neighborhood where it's harder to find tenants and it's just not a nice place. We don't want to be too far away from, basic necessities like shopping, restaurants, SkyTrain, things of that matter. We want to kind of do the opposite. We want to be in a nice central location, preferably close to schools. We want to have a nice family neighborhood where you're going to find actually better tenants, and for resale value, you're going to have easier time actually selling the property. Now that we got our location, we want to find not the nicest home on the street, not the absolute worst, but somewhere in the middle. We want to find a home that shows absolutely amazing, because that home is probably going to get the higher price. We want to find something that needs a little bit of work to done. Some sweat equity we can use to increase the value of the home. So what does that mean? Well, let's take the interior of the house. We walk into the home and the paint colors are horrible, or there's scratches all over the walls. Small things like that can definitely improve if we just go and quick paint over it. Maybe the cabinets need to be redone. Something small needs to be redone. What can I think here? New carpets, switching from old carpets to vinyl or laminate. Say that a couple of the rooms don't have great lighting, so we put some pot lights on to increase the value in that way. The backyard is not looking great. We need some landscaping done. Maybe we've got to power wash the side of the home or power wash the driveway. Now, these are all things that we can do to improve the value of the property for resale or for placing tenants. Like it kind of goes, if you maintain the home, the tenant was probably going to want to maintain the home just as well. So you're not only getting higher rent this way, but you're also placing better tenants inside your property. Third tip is, if we can, try to find a property that has a mortgage helper. So what is a mortgage helper? It's someone in the basement. There's a basement suite with its own kitchen, washroom, and bedroom. This way we are going to be able to have an additional income to the property. So if we're looking at a property where one's a 2-story and the basement is just like a pool room or a rec room or something like that, and it's for 1.2, and we see another property where it's got the 2-story as well, but the basement is being converted to a kitchen. It's got a bedroom, dining room, living room. It's got its full separate entrance, and it's for 1.25 or 1.26. You would rather go for the one with the basement helper. Even though it's more expensive, with that basement suite, it's going to be make your property more valuable, especially if you do some touch-ups. And aside from that, if you are looking to rent it out, you're going to have a tenant come in and start helping with that mortgage. Even for a 1-bedroom mortgage helper, the rents in anywhere from the Greater Vancouver are $1,300 to possibly $1,800 for a 1-bedroom. So that's going to help you pay your payments if you do decide to live in the home, or if you decide to rent the whole house out. You're getting that basement suite. It's $1,500-$1,600, and you're also renting that top portion. So you're probably going to be cash flowing the property or breaking even.